Dear Professor, I would like to submit my homework 1, number 6, about control sample motor by Pushbutton in Arduino. First, we need hardware about Arduino, and the step motor and the ULN 2003 driver to control step motor, and the breed 1 and the 2 push button. I use the yellow one and the red one. Next, I will explain my code. First, we need to include stamper library. This stamper library simplifies motor control by handling stamp sequencing automatically. Second, we need define the number of stamps per 4 revolution for the stamp motor. 28 BYG 48. 2048 steps in 4-step mode. Circle rotation. And next we initialize the stamp motor object stamp using 4 control pins: 11, 9, 10, and 8. 4 pins. Connect to the ULN 2003 driver. This one connect. Sorry. In 1 to in 4, connect Arduino 8 to 11. And the stamper library requires the pin square in special order. And next, let's go digital. Pins 2 and 3 for left button and right button. And next, set buttons as inputs with input polyup. It's made use internal pull-up sensor to keep the pin at high. When not pressed, the pin goes low. Set the stamp motor speed. Set stepper state speed 10. Set 10 RPM revolutions per minute. It can be adjusted between 5 to 15 RPM for stability. Next, reach button state now. Button pressed. If left button is pressed, step step minus 50 moves motor CCW. Counter click west. If right button is now, left button is pressed, step 50 minus 50 moves motor clockwise, turn right, and prevents button bonus and repair the movement. That's all my code. And next, I will show the video about my hardware. I use the yellow button to control left CCW and right button to control CW. Left, right. This is all my introduction of homework. 1, number 6, about control stamp motor by push button. Thank you for watching.